Hello, I'm Travis from Morris Property Group. It gives me great pleasure to provide you with our latest construction update for our Broadbeach development, Maison. Located on exclusive Chelsea Avenue in Broadbeach, Maison offers a boutique collection of only 22 full-floor residences. I'm excited to share this latest milestone with you as we move towards our 2027 completion date. The excavation process is now complete and has reached its final depth at basement 3, marking a significant step in the foundation phase. To ensure a solid and even base, a blinding slab, a thin layer of concrete, has been poured over the excavated ground. This helps to smooth out the surface and prepares it for the next step. Over the coming weeks, a reinforcing steel will be installed, strengthening the foundations before the installation of our raft slab in early April. In March, work will begin on the lift pit and stormwater pit basins before installation of the tower crane later in the month, setting the stage for vertical construction. Located in the serene Chelsea Avenue, this boutique development offers stunning north-facing views over the lush green parklands, framed by the Gold Coast city skyline. Just moments from Broadbeach's vibrant lifestyle and pristine beaches, Maison offers a rare blend of tranquility and convenience. As a fully integrated development and construction company, Morris Property Group manages the entire construction process to ensure quality and craftsmanship. Thank you for following our journey in this latest construction update. We look forward to updating you again soon. Our sales display is now open for private appointments. Contact our sales team today to book your viewing.